Come on in this kitchen. Hey, y'all, we got the night off from cooking, but let's think about the next 24 to 48 hours, all right? Call me the condiment queen. Yes, I am putting tartar sauce on the fish before I cook it. I'm going to add that to some dill, my seasoning, my mustard, as well as my olive oil. See, I got a beautiful piece of salmon, but stay tuned at the end. I'll show you a hack I do with my chicken wings that I'm going to cook in the next 48 hours. All right, so here I've got my seasoning in the pan, not all over my board, not all over my kitchen. Everything going in stays in. It's going to get cooked in. Let me tell you. So I'm brushing that on. I'm going to cover that up. It's going to go in the fridge and marinate over the next 24 hours. We're going to indoor grill it. Then I took a Ziploc bag with some seasoning in there, dumped in that chicken, and I'm just working that around. It's all going in the fridge. Come on in this kitchen. It's time to get dinner done. All right, we're going to make a munchie meal. That means we're going to take a little bit of this and a little bit of that, add that to a pot of mac and cheese, put it in the fridge, and every time you get the munchies, bam! All right, so look, I'm literally throwing everything in this pot. I started out, I boiled some macaroni, I browned some turkey, I added to the turkey some onions, some bell pepper, some mushrooms, and then to the mac, I threw all that in the pot. I added some salsa. I then added some cream cheese, some cheddar cheese. There's the sauce and the rest of the salsa going in there. I gave that a nice stir to see if I wanted to add anything else. Oh, guess what I forgot? The taco seasoning. I added the taco seasoning because this is turkey taco mac. Come on in this kitchen. Let's get dinner done for the day. I've got a podcast, so this half turkey breast is going to cook while I'm on the podcast. But first, I had to make my marinade, which I measured because y'all asked, and it was 1.5 teaspoons of seasoning, mustard, and olive oil. I would have liked 2, but I was being conservative. I put that turkey breast in there, put everything in the pan. What goes in stays in. It's not all over the place, all right? I took the brushed it on there, put it in the fridge, let it marinate, and then I put it in the oven when I started the podcast. When the podcast was over, I took it out, but somebody hit it already.